Operators. Operators are tokens that trigger some computation when applied to identifiers. Operators are of the following types. Unary operators. Operators on one operand. Minus, and, comma, asterisk, plus, minus, plus plus, minus minus, exclamation mark. Binary operators. Operators on two operands. Plus, minus, asterisk, backslash, percentage, etc. Percentage gives remainder. Ternary operators. Operators on three operands. Question mark, colon. C++ program that prints a string on the screen. Program 1. Backslash backslash, my first program in C++. Hashtag include iostream.h. Int main bracket open bracket close. Curly bracket open. Cout double quotes. My first program in C++ language double quote semicolon. Return 0 semicolon. Curly brackets close. The output or result or answer of the above program will be as follows. My first program in C++ language. The above program is the simplest programs that can be written in C++. But it does include the basic statement that every C++ program has. Backslash backslash, my first program in C++. Comments are the pieces of code that the compiler discards or ignores. These statements are non-executables. These are usually meant for documentation of a program for understandability of the program. There are two ways to insert comments in programs. Single line comments, the comments that begin with backslash backslash. Multi-line or block comments with backslash asterisk, asterisk backslash. The block comments mark the beginning of comment with backslash asterisk and end with asterisk backslash. Hash include iostream.h. Hash is a preprocessor directive. That means this statement is processed before compilation takes place. It tells the compiler preprocessor to include the header file iostream.h. iostream.h is a file name where I is equal to input, O is equal to output, stream is equal to sequence of bytes, and .h is the extension, which means the header file. Int main bracket open bracket close. This statement indicates the beginning of main function. The main bracket open bracket close function is the point by where all C++ programs begin their execution. The main bracket open bracket close function is also known as driver function, as it is always the first to be executed when program starts. It is essential that all C++ programs have a main bracket open bracket close function. Curly bracket open and curly bracket close. Every function in C++ has its code included in a pair of curly braces, is a code of function main bracket open bracket close. It is also called as body of main bracket open bracket close function. Cout. My first program in C++ language. The cout, pronounced as C-out, is the standard output stream in C++, meant for printing output on screen. Since cout is declared in header file iostream.h, so in order to use cout in the program, we have included this very header file with hash include directive. Return 0 semicolon. The return instruction makes the main bracket open bracket close to finish and it returns a value. In this case, it is returning 0. Returning 0 is the most usual way of telling that program has terminated normally, that is, it has not found any errors during its execution. Note, all the statements written inside the main bracket open bracket close function are terminated by semicolon. Every executable statement must be terminated by semicolon. Input and output operators in C++. Input operator. The input operator means get from, also known as stream extraction operator, is used to read a value from standard input. For example, keyboard. Output operator. The output operator means put to, also called stream insertion operator. It is used to direct a value to the standard output or screen. For example, cout. Double quotes, the product of 5 * 10 is equal to, double quotes, semicolon. Cout, 5 into 10, semicolon. Cout, double quotes, \n, double quotes. Cout, double quotes, addition of two numbers, \n, double quotes, semicolon. Cout, double quotes, my second program, double quotes, semicolon. The above statements will produce the following output. The product of 5 into 10 is equal to 50. Addition of two numbers. My second program. The escape sequence \n represents the new line character. The new line character causes the successive output to be directed to the next line. Otherwise, each successive cout displays the output at the next column after the previous output. Therefore, the output of the first two statements are displayed on the same line, and then encountering the \n, the outputs of next two statements are displayed on the next line. Program 2. To find the product of any two numbers. \\, program to find the product of any two numbers. #include iostream.h. #include conio.h. int main, bracket open, bracket close. Curly braces open. CLR SCR, bracket open, bracket close, semicolon. Int num1, num2, pro, semicolon. Cout, double quotes, enter the first number, double quotes, semicolon. Cin, num1, semicolon. Cout, double quote, enter the second number, double quote, semicolon. Cin, num2, semicolon. Pro is equal to num1 into num2, semicolon. Cout, double quote, the product of two numbers, double quote, semicolon. Cout, pro, semicolon. Get ch, bracket open, bracket close, semicolon. Return 0, semicolon. Curly braces close. Output is as follows. Enter the first number, 5. Enter the second number, 4. The product of two numbers, 20. In the above program, CLR SCR bracket open bracket close and getch bracket open bracket close are the two functions used, and these require conio.h. Con is equal to console, I is equal to input, and O is equal to output. CLR SCR bracket open bracket close is used to clear the screen, and getch bracket open bracket close is used to get a character from the keyboard. Int num1, num2, pro, semicolon is the declaration statement. It means define three integer, int, identifiers, variables to the program. Cin num1, semicolon. It reads the first value given by the user and stores it in num1, and similarly statement cin num2, semicolon. It reads the second value given by the user and stores it in num2. Input statement cin causes the program to wait for the user to type the value for a variable.